At Fort Washington Medical Care, our physical therapy team helps you move past pain and get back into life. We listen, guide, and build a plan tailored to your recovery and your goals.
Hi, my name is Clea Francisco, physical therapist here in Fort Washington Medical Care. And here is our physical therapy department team, and we are here dedicated to manage your pain, address limitation of motion of your joints, muscle weakness due to sports, accidents, work-related injuries, and post-surgical procedures. And we are also here to address gait and balance dysfunctions and problems due to neurodegenerative diseases and post-stroke. And we're just here to really restore overall functional mobility so you can move freely, pain-free, and you can safely navigate the city streets of New York.
Fort Washington Medical Care. Physical therapy restores strength, mobility, and confidence. Schedule your physical therapy visit today.